Let me share with you an easy way to swap ERC20 tokens with other ERC20 tokens using a decentralized exchange aggregator. Let me share with you Totle is one of the best and cheapest ways to swap either ETH with ERC20 tokens or ERC20 tokens with each other using many different liquidity pools and decentralized exchanges. So you go to totle.com and just click on swap at the best price. And it will bring you to the decentralized exchange aggregator, super easy to use. Now what you want to do is take your Web3 wallet or DeFi enabled mobile wallet, whatever option works the best for you, and then you go to swap.totle.com. As soon as the rates have loaded, what you can do is click on Connect Wallet to swap. So I'll do that. You can use MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Fortmatic, Ethereum, Coinbase Wallet, Portris, and Taurus Wallet. Like always, I like to use the Wallet Connect app. It's a mobile wallet and I'm a big fan of it. So I just unlock my Trust wallet, which supports Wallet Connect. I can click on the Wallet Connect option on my mobile phone, open the QR code scanner. I take a picture of the QR code, I approve, and I'm logged in. Goes super fast. Now it's getting the rates from all the different exchanges. And now what I can do is I can select what I'd like to swap. So I don't have that much DAI, but I want to swap some DAI. I've got around 20 DAI. I'd like to swap it for ETH. So I can select ETH here on the right hand side. I can just type in ETH and it will find ETH. All right, for 20 DAI, I will receive 0.086 and something ETH. The max price slippage is 3% and the gas price is 42 Gwei. Based on the congestion of the network at the moment, this gas price can vary. It can go up by a lot and go down by a lot. So if you want to know when the best time is to send some transaction over the Ethereum blockchain, maybe you can go to ETH gas station and you can see how fast your transaction are going to be and how much you're going to have to pay. So if the gas price is super high, it might be smart to wait maybe a few days before you send a transaction. When you're happy with that, you can just click on swap, and here you see what you see as well is a total transaction path. You see what happens. So here DAI just gets exchanged with ETH, the token split. And then here you see a comparison between Totle and other decentralized exchanges. So Uniswap version 2 was where this transaction would be executed on. Uniswap version 1 would have a 0.16% worse fee, Kyber 0.43%. So here with Totle, we're getting the best exchange rate as it's getting it from Uniswap version 2. Depending on the different exchange rates, it's going to take it from one liquidity pool or another liquidity pool. It just take the best one, and sometimes it might also get 50% from one liquidity pool and 50% from another liquidity pool. So if I'm happy with this, I can just click on submit swap, and then the swap will go through. My 20 DAI is going to be exchanged for 0.086 ETH. I click on submit swap. I get a notification on my phone that I have to sign the transaction. I click on OK. And then the transaction ID has been posted to the Ethereum blockchain. I can look at that on Etherscan. So I can open this in a new window. And the transaction is submitted, waiting for the swap to be mined in the next Ethereum block. So this is the Ethereum transaction hash and it's pending. It will take a while. The estimated transaction confirmation duration is 3 minutes and 28 seconds, but often it happens a lot faster. And the max transaction cost fee is $6.95. So definitely really high. Not happy about that at all. But very often this is just the max cost and the actual cost is going to be a lot lower than that. So let's wait a little bit to see how long it takes to confirm this transaction. It shouldn't take too long to be included in the next block. All right, so the transaction went through. with 42 Gwei. It took around 3 minutes to be included in the next block. If I go back to Total Swap, you see the transaction is completed with the transaction hash here. So yeah, that was a short introduction to Totle Decentralized Exchange Aggregator. What I definitely recommend to do before you do any swaps either between Ethereum and DAI or other ERC20 tokens between each other is to compare the rates between Totle Decentralized Exchange Aggregator, the 1inch.exchange Decentralized Exchange Aggregator, and also maybe look how much it would cost if you'd be doing these swaps on maybe Uniswap or Kyber Network and so on. So yeah, that was it for this video. If you'd like me to review and show how other DeFi platforms work, then leave it in the comments down below. With that said, I wish you a fantastic day and I'll catch you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye bye.